Is it time to buy or sell Pitney Bowes stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Pitney Bowes. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Pitney Bowes as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.38. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.89%. This translates to an average return of 0.39% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 13.07% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 6.5% to 25.24%. In terms of longer-term performance, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 65.61%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could vary between 32.79% and 81.74% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $16.31 to $22.32. Our latest daily update for Pitney Bowes features the headline, "Green Day on Friday for Pitney Bowes Inc." On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, the Pitney Bowes Inc. stock price increased by approximately 0.327%, rising from $12.24 to $12.28. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.85%, with a low of $12.16 and a high of $12.38. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 8.67% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also saw an uptick on this day, with 107,000 more shares exchanged compared to the previous day, leading to a total of 2 million shares traded, amounting to roughly $28.7 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $13.11, while the lowest was $6.22. Currently, the price stands 6.33%, or 83 cents, below the 52-week high, and is 23.87%, or $3.85, below the all-time high recorded on the 25th of July, 2017, when the price peaked at $16.13. Pitney Bowes recently raised fresh capital by first pricing $200 million of 1.5% convertible senior notes due in 2030 on August 5th. They then closed a $230 million placement on August 11th after the upsized allotment was exercised. During this period, PBI has garnered positive attention for its valuation, momentum, and dividend profile, with several style-focused write-ups highlighting the stock as appealing to value, momentum, and income investors. The convertible deal has 2 clear market effects. In the short term, the announcement and pricing typically introduce downward pressure due to dilution concerns and selling by short-term traders. However, the added cash and the very low 1.5% coupon alleviate near-term interest costs and strengthen liquidity, acting as a net stabilizer if management utilizes the proceeds to invest in growth or bolster the balance sheet. Over the long term, successful deployment of the proceeds, combined with sustained operational momentum and a reliable dividend, could support multiple expansions and increase equity value. Conversely, conversion into stock would dilute existing shareholders and could limit upside potential if conversion occurs at a low premium. Overall, it is essential to monitor execution. Funding reduces financial risk in the present, while successful growth and consistent dividends will determine whether interest driven by sentiment translates into lasting share price gains. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Pitney Bowes stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also deemed a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Pitney Bowes. The chart today displays mostly positive signals. The stock of Pitney Bowes Inc. receives buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $12.14 and $11.76. A decline below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 11, 2025, and the stock has risen by 10.53% since then. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago, Bollinger buy signal from 7 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 90 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 79 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Pitney Bowes. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.40 and $11.36. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support level. In the case of Pitney Bowes Inc., support is found just below today's level at $11.40. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.36 and $11.18. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 225 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 1.85%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.95%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Pitney Bowes, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 32 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Pitney Bowes. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Pitney Bowes is at $12.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Pitney Bowes encounters its first support level at $11.40. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Pitney Bowes from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of September, 2025, Rosenthal Brent D conducted an insider purchase of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Wolf Kurt James conducted an insider sale of 269,615 shares of common stock. On the 13th of August, 2025, Evans Paul J. conducted an insider purchase of 22,065 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 6th of August, 2025, Brim Peter C. conducted an insider purchase of 6,922 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 30th of July, 2025, Brim Peter C. conducted an insider purchase of no shares. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 53.590. Overall, insiders purchased 995,687 shares and sold 3,165,464 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.64, reflecting a decrease of 5.2%. This stock experiences medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal resulting from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is Pitney Bowes stock a good buy? Pitney Bowes Inc. holds several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it is a solid choice at this time, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we expect Pitney Bowes to open lower by 0.008 of a dollar and start trading at $12.27. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.